Your bills don't take a month off, so why should your income? Think about it. Every single month, without fail, the same four horsemen of the financial apocalypse show up at your door. Rent, power, groceries, gas, electricity. That's a fifth, but you get the picture. They're like clockwork. They don't care if you're sick, if you're tired, if you're in between jobs, or if you just need a break. They're on autopilot every single month. Today I'm going to show you how to flip that equation so your income is on autopilot too. The kind that keeps showing up whether that's you're grinding or sleeping. This is HBA Residual Pay Plan, Earn Residual Income, Hit and Catch, and I'm JJ Sully, your friendly neighborhood solid man. Let's get it. Now here's the trap most people are stuck in. Rent or mortgage due every single month. Power every month. Groceries every month. Gas every month. Cell phone every month. You get it? So you can't call your landlord and say, hey, I'm taking the month off, can you? You can't tell the grocery store, I'll pay you in September for the groceries I got today instead. It would be nice, yeah. You remember Wimpy? I'm glad you paid Tuesday for a hamburger today. You're not Popeye. Pretty cool, right? But your job, your hours, your commission, they can vanish overnight. A slow month, a canceled contract, a seasonal dip, and suddenly you're scrambling. It's like running on a treadmill that's slowly speeding up. You're not lazy, you're not broken. The system is just designed to keep you reactive, always chasing, never catching up. So if you're done playing catch up and ready to flip the script, here's the move. Stop thinking like a salesperson. Start thinking like a landlord. A landlord doesn't rebuild the house every month. They build it once, maintain it, and collect rent every single month. That's residual income. Income that keeps coming in from work you did one time because you built something that lasts. And here's the kicker. You don't have to own property to think like a landlord. You just need an asset that pays you over and over and over again. Your bills don't take a month off, so again, why should your income? Now here's the part most gurus won't tell you. Residual income isn't magic. It's not set it and forget it. It's set it, refine it, and protect it. The hidden catch is that you have to build something worth paying for month after month. That means a product or service people actually need. How about that? A delivery system that works without you babysitting it. A trust factor that makes people stick around. If you skip any of those, your residual income will dry up faster than you think. And here's why I use the Home Business Academy's Residual Pay Plan. I wanted something that paid me like clockwork. Not just once, but over and over. With HBA, one sale can pay you 12 times a year. What? That's because it's monthly recurring payouts at 80% commissions. So you pay $25, you make $25, you make $20 per person for every single month. So if you have 50, you got 1,000. If you got 10, you got 200. If you got 100, you got $2,000 a month. But they also pay 80% on everything else. So if you have the $120 pay plan, you make $100 a month for extra training. Again, 80%. It's digital delivery, so there's no shipping, no inventory, and no headaches. And you get training plus a community that actually shows up for you. So you're never building alone. And stay to the end because I'm going to show you how I'll give you a bonus that's going to kick your this or any other business into serious overdrive. Okay. When you combine that with a simple funnel and a daily content rhythm, you're not chasing sales, you're stacking assets. I'm not here to flash Lambos or fake screenshots. I'm here to show you that even if you're starting from scratch, you can build a system that compounds. I document my rebuild journey in real time, the wins, the stalls, the fixes, so you can see exactly what works and what doesn't. That's how you build trust. That's how you build something that lasts. I want to show you a few things. I don't know how this went off of the screen. Sorry. I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to go back to the Home Business Academy, right? And not only do they have how to set up everything, right? They got all these pages that teach you how to do all these things, right? Like creating a blog with HBA. So this is the video on how to do that, right? They also got how to create a hero page. Pretty cool, right? Look at that. And selling your own products. What? Including setup, payment integration, and sales checkout thank you page. Okay, exactly how to do it. Here's your video, right? And they got done for you funnels. They got 5 done for you funnels. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. All-in-one business, the magical morning formula, $3K a month, grow rich mastermind, and online recruiting secrets. And let's check out online recruiting secrets. What? Is there really all these videos here? What? Your surprise bonuses and free gifts. What? Only for those who have completed videos 1 through 6. I have 3 special gifts for you. So they're incentivizing you to use this and to follow the training. What? That's pretty cool, right? They also feed starving children here at HBA, and it's been around for many, many years. I know there's a lady, Amy Star Allen, who's a badass in this company, and she's been doing this for at least 6 years now. And she's all over the leaderboards and all over, Google and YouTube, okay? And has a nice blog, so shout out to Amy Star Allen. But yeah, she's been in for at least 6 years, so it's not going anywhere, most likely. I mean, I can't say what happened, and I can't give you, and here's the income disclosure, I don't know your work ethic, I don't know you, I don't know if you're going to do anything with it, so I can't make promises, but I can say that the training does work for not only HBA, but Simple Freedom Warriors, which I will give you free if you join with me in the $25 level of HBA, okay? I'll give it to you for free. So that means I'm paying for it, not you. So I'm going to show you something else that's really cool. Okay, you see how I'm on the Simple Freedom Warriors page? Because I got a whole bunch of funnels that I've done. I was using this for months and months and months for my other businesses. See? So we're going to try. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change these funnels and make a simple funnel with copy and paste simple steps. So I'm going to do this live. I'm going to copy this title, right? I'm going to go over here. Sorry. Where was I? One of these pages. Okay. I'll go from here. I must have clicked off it. So I'm going to Simple Free Wars. I'm going to change this title. I already copied it right now, so I'm just pasting it, right? You can do that, right? And then I'm going to go back to the video. So I'm going to share the video. It's my video. I'm going to share it. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to hit edit video. And I'm going to paste it again. Edit. Paste. Simple stuff. But watch this video change. Oh, that's a different person. That's me. Pretty cool, right? Can you copy and paste? Can you follow simple instructions? Can you stay consistent? Because if you do, I'm about to show you the power of what happens and what our team will teach you in the training site that I will give you for free, and I'll come out of my own pocket to get you into this simple training that, by the way, can earn you up to $1,500. You get half instantly for free, basically, because if you join me, This system will teach you how to build any program and how to duplicate. Not only are we going to train you on the daily steps you need to get traffic, leads, and sales, and build your email list and stand out from the rest, but with a page like this. Sorry. One of these pages. Alright, so this is my thank you page. Okay, has a video that plays, right? Has my phone number, my name, right? This isn't a page that comes with thing. This isn't a company page. Most people, 98%, are using company pages. You're not standing out. You're building their list, okay? So they can market to those people. And where's the other one? Yeah, wait. I don't know why I have to. So I'm gonna go HBA Okay, this is the first page you'll see in that funnel. Okay, so you just put your name, your number, and yes, I want it. And look, it looks the same as the congruency. Looks the same. Okay, but I'm going to show you the cool stuff that some of the stuff we will train you with. So I'm going to go. First of all, I'm going to show you proof that this actually works. Not only am I #1 in Google, right here I showed you that. I'm not signed in, #1 in Google. There's my picture, right? And here's, he's only been around for about 12 days, and he's #3. Well, what happened there? But I'm going to click on this. And you can already see, when it loads, I'm #1 and #2 for DFY marketing system, the same exact term, right? And the #4 video is Andrew Guthrie, 8 days ago. He's only been in the system for like 12 days. And there's a whole playlist by John Solly, right? Make Money on JJ. And look at this, the #1. Where is it? When it loads, I'll show you. But I'm only going to tell you people that are on our team. Make Money on JJ. There's a whole playlist by Make Money on JJ. Make Money with JJ. I don't know why my internet's running so slow. Make Money with JJ. Andrew Guthrie again. Andrew Guthrie. Andrew Guthrie. Make Money with JJ. So you will dominate leaderboards. You will absolutely. Now we teach you how to make lead traffic, lead sales, and build your emails. We'll teach you how to build any program and how to duplicate it. Because you just plug somebody in this training site, you get paid half instantly to whatever payment method you want, and you got it for free because I'm going to give that for a limited time. I'll give that bonus away out of my own pocket to get you into this training site that looks like just like this, by the way, where you can earn up to $1,500. I'm going to show you something cool. If somebody goes in all in, right, it's a $3,000. But you get $1,500. So let's say somebody buys duplication formula, okay? And you pay nothing out. $3,000. You make $1,500 for that. And you didn't pay a dime. What? So look at this. The build phase, not just a cookie cutter program. We're going to show you exactly how to do all of this and set it up as a marketer. And then the daily steps you need to build your team and how to duplicate. And I'll give it to you for free if you join HBA with me at the $25 level. How cool is that? And you can plug somebody into the Saturday training or the weekly webinar replay on YouTube, and I think he does it on all streaming services. He definitely does it on Facebook too. And if somebody joins at the all-in price for the special webinar price, it's $500, and that's $250 for you. So, but the main thing is you need to stand out. You need to be able to build your own funnels, okay? You need to be able to build your own funnels and start building your business and start building your list. And we will help you learn the basic steps to stand out, the things that everybody is scared to show you. We are the best team, okay? Now, if you want to maybe break down the exact funnel steps in this future video, comment ready below. This way I know you're serious about building something that pays you every month. Start today so your next bill cycle looks different. The link to get started with Funnel, my lead capture page, is in the description, and pinned in the top comments. You can take action right now. This has been the HBA Residual Pay Plan. Earn residual income. Hit and catch. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh.